A warm welcome to one and all. Myself, Assistant Professor Nasir Sheikh. This video has been created by me under the guidance of Dr. S.B. Kishore sir. Today's topic of video is Know Your Paper. In this video, we will discuss on PC maintenance paper. So these are the content of paper. In this content, we will discuss on syllabus, outline of paper, importance of paper, and application of paper. So this syllabus is on the screen. So now this paper has been taught by various universities with some different titles. So these are the outlines of papers. In this outline, paper consists of basic preventive maintenance procedure like heat, temperature control, EMI control, and working of BIOS and CMOS setup. Now, they introduce the basic concept of various CPUs, monitors, memory, and working of monitors and installations. You will learn about different types of hard drives and its partitioning, formatting, installation of various hard drives, and input-output devices. Learn troubleshooting of peripheral I/O devices. Objective of these papers are the basic purpose of the paper is to enhance knowledge of computer hardware and maintenance of PC. It will enhance the overall logical and practical skills of students. Students will be able to identify the tools and test equipment associated with PC repair and maintenance. Paper will help him or her to identifying the resources for resolving the peripheral device problem, including printers, scanners, DROMs, sound cards, DVDs, etc. Application of papers are student will be able to diagnose the PC issues. Student will help to improve the peripheral devices and accordingly may able to come with new solutions to deal with issues of PC. Due to the knowledge of hardware along with software, student will be able to design and write a new system programming or operating system very well. Student will able to create embedded programming. These are the references by which you can go to the depth of this paper. Thank you.